So far we've completed the station upgrades at Yeronga, Yeronpilly, Dutton Park, Fairfield and Rocklea. Salisbury station is progressing well, and we've just got Mooroka station to go. My name is Nick Carmichael. I work for Queensland Rail. I'm an interface manager and I work on the Cross River Rail program in the delivery of the southern station upgrades that are being delivered. It includes everything from design through to construction, commissioning and handover to ensure that we get the station upgrades that we get meet the requirements of Queensland Rail as the operator and maintainer. Yeah, so most of the stations also needed to be upgraded to meet current accessibility standards, so this was a perfect opportunity to upgrade the stations with accessibility features. Yeah, so in addition to the new footbridges with lifts, other safety and accessibility features include platform gap fillers and tactile ground surface indicators, assisted boarding points, lighting upgrades. We've also got accessible toilets, accessible parking and passenger drop-off zones, and improved customer and service information in various formats. Yeah, so we're committed to connecting communities by modernising our network and making improvements to make it safe and accessible for everyone to use the train. So yeah, I am very proud of the stations. I think we've done a good job in delivering what we set out to do. The designs are great, they're great for customers, much more space than what the older stations had, and the accessibility features are just great for everyone.